Imagine helping to save 63.5 billion litres of water just by having hot water delivered instantly in your home or at work. No more waiting, no more waste. Just hot water on demand, whenever and wherever it's needed. Introducing the microelectric boiler, 100% efficient way of delivering hot water at double the flow rate of similar systems, and with no risk of overheating, burnout, or scaling. Compact in design, it's fast and simple to install, and ideal for use with domestic hot water systems, solar thermal and heat pumps, wet underfloor heating, plus much more. Waste is a thing of the past. Better, smarter, more efficient. Discover more about the microelectric boiler at ThermoSphere.com.